Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the biggest turnoffs at auto shops, poor customer service. Nobody wants to feel ignored or undervalued, and at Arts, we treat every customer like family with top-notch service. Let me tell you about Brian, a local electrician who came to us last month. His 2017 Ford Edge had a cracked front grille from a road debris hit. Brian was fed up with shops that were rude and unresponsive. From the moment he walked in, our team greeted him warmly, listened to his needs, and kept him updated throughout the repair. We fixed his Edge perfectly, and Brian said, "Art's customer service was incredible. I felt so appreciated." Here's our approach. We prioritize clear communication, friendly support, and a welcoming environment. Whether it's a small scratch or a major collision repair, our Pomona team is here to make your experience exceptional from start to finish. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we pair quality repairs with outstanding customer service. Tired of bad service? Stop by or call for a free estimate and feel the difference. Ready for repairs with great customer service? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, service that shines.